Good morning, everybody. News today. Presidential election later tonight. Lost 2 trades today. Down $20 on the $1,000 demo account. Our last trading day of the month is tomorrow. I was thinking about not trading, just calling it a week, calling it the week, calling it the month. Just gonna accept I'm profitable. But no, I'm still gonna trade tomorrow, or not trade. Look to trade tomorrow, potentially. Because I thought about it, if I limit myself and say I'm not gonna trade tomorrow and just take the day, I mean, I could take the day off and then take the weekend off to regroup and just try to gather my thoughts. But I feel like I feel like I would be taking the loss to heart. I'd be taking the loss, I would be taking the loss. What's the word? What I'm basically trying to say is I would be saying it would affect me. And that's what you shouldn't be letting any loss affect you or any win affect you. Either way, good or bad. Alright. Besides that, let's go over the trade. Bias was bearish on the 4-hour. We saw this. We could have broke structure with this candle that just no, it hasn't even closed yet. It's about to close in 16 minutes. It could have closed and broke structure to the upside. Hopefully this water isn't loud. Yeah, bearish on the 4-hour though, and then we were bullish on the 1-hour. But I was looking for shorts, and let's go in the 1 minute actually. And in this case, it's just so unfortunate. I hate these losses. But it is what it is, So I waited for news to come out at 7 a.m. News came out around here. We swept these highs, rallied down. I was like, damn, I really wanted to take it because, liquidity seat, break a structure, all that shit. But we followed a rule, and that was wait till news comes out. News comes out right here, we get some bullish action. I marked out this, I think 3-minute or 5-minute fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap. I was like, maybe we're just retracing. I was like, alright, this is the first trade. I entered off, we broke structure slightly. I've seen this the last couple of days. We break structure look like this. Previously, I didn't like seeing that shit at all. I want to see a clear breaker structure. But in the past, the breaker structure, when that shit happened, it went down, or it went in the direction I wanted to. So I entered, and then usually when this happens, when it goes into the direction we wanted to go, it looks good for a split second and then just fucking stops us out. And this is what I was worried about. I could have waited maybe for this FVG to get disrespected, but we respected it. We retraced into it, and then we rallied up, took out these highs, took out this high as well. We marked out when doing our daily buys. I was like, okay, maybe it wanted to sweep these highs, and that was the case too. But I mean, let's go why we entered again. Let me make sure this is the exact time I entered. This is just unfortunate. fucking sucks. What day is what is today? 27. 7:20. Yeah, just about there. We disrespected this. It wasn't even an imbalance, so that couldn't have been it. Let me let me see why we entered. I mean, yeah, we got a sweep and then a break of structure. But, liquidity sweep and break of structure isn't going to be, like, just because two confluences most of the time is not enough. But I thought that was it. And if this was a regular trade, I would have my stops up here. But we just lost this trade. I was going low risk, and then we get stopped out right away, and then goes in the direction, and then sweeps the high, and then we get this huge displacement we wanted to see all the way down to take profit, and then for our first trade take profit. So it just sucks. It really does. I feel like a failure. Everything I'm doing this month's been pretty ass. I've lost a shit ton of times. I mean, sure, it's a learning thing, but I'm not gonna sit here and say it doesn't suck, because it does. But I have to keep losing to make it feel normal. That's the only way I feel like it's gonna help me control the emotions. The reason why I didn't wait for this imbalance to get filled or disrespected, because by the time I don't know, it always happens like this. By the time I do actually wait, it completely goes down, and then if I enter like the move, I'm scared the move is gonna be like over, I feel like by the time it closes right here, that's like the whole, or like more, or half the move already. It will be like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain things. It works well in my head. Yeah, we get stopped out. And I would have my stop light up here, and then as you can see, it would have ran true, stayed true. It just, I don't know. Hopefully that shit's not loud. I don't know, I feel like I've seen this so many times. I get stopped out, and it's like the highest point we go, or like we get stopped out and then it rallies down. I feel like I've seen that so many times, and that's a good thing because we know where market wants to go. But it just makes me wonder if I should even have a fucking stop loss, bro. Cause bro, like, these losses hurt. These are the most annoying losses. And that's why I said I'd rather a high win rate with a low risk to reward. God damn, bro. Just everything wants to like disturb me, I guess. That's why I said I would rather a higher win rate than a lower risk to reward. Because of this shit. This is exactly why. And like, it just sucks because this stop loss is so big already. I would honestly want it like way farther. Like, and at that point, I don't even want a stop loss. I have a good skill in like managing my risk. Like, I'm not gonna over leverage and shit. Me personally, that's just, So I might just not even have a fucking stop loss unless it like gets to a certain point, like, I don't know, bro. I really don't know. This shit sucks, bro. This shit fucking sucks. I don't know what it is. Maybe like maybe I'm not my house, my home, my setup, my desk. I'm over here waking up at 5:30, 5:45, 6 o'clock for market open. I mean, it's not that I'm tired, it's just I'm not used to that shit. 5:30 is crazy. 6 o'clock is crazy. Like, goddamn. I don't know. I really don't know what it is. I think this is just part of the process. And I just had to accept it. I had to accept this is the reality. And everyone has to go through this and will go through it. So, I'm gonna go on with my day. Not think about it. Because it's not the end of the fucking world. Shit happens. This is normal. Believe it or not. God, I hate my face. I hate my voice. I hate everything about me. I hate my trading. Can't complain though. I mean, this is beautiful weather right now. Can't complain. People would die to be in my position. So, it's a lot to be thankful for. There's bigger things than trading. Bigger things than making money. I won't take this shit for granted. I won't take this life for granted. And I guess one good thing is, GameStop is up. But watch that shit just go down. You already know Wall Street Bets is tweeting that shit. I feel like I do this a lot. When I lose, I just be yapping. Honestly, when I win too, I just be yapping in general. Damn, bro. Like, look at this shit. It's gotta be like the best and worst feeling. Because these are the losses you want. So we lost a total of about $10 today. How ass. Stop loss was based on these highs, a little above these highs. Take profit was based on this low. Take profit was based on these highs. Pretty short stop loss. And then this stop loss was based on this low. That's about it. I'm talking too much. I'm enjoying my day. Let's play some music. Oh shit, just got exposed. Shawn Mendes, yeah, he fire. Well, I don't really listen to him. This song's good though.
I kinda like hustle the money all in.
On a drop top coupe on the motor on your head. Money.